Dog, never bruise up a girl hole.
No, I want to try bruise up again. I saw the girl reach me.
Ratty, that means me I bruise a king.
What boy I mean by yeah, Bruiser King? Dirty pussy, me Bruiser King license.
Dog, when last that used?
Yeah.
Stop chat your fuckery.
What boy stop chat, you know say me cripple from waist go down.
Yeah, what I do with?
Yo, tell him we last fuck a girl.
Pussy, I wanna ask me say. Last time I see I fuck a mailbox. Yeah, watch out no more. I don't want to roast me.
You mean like when you find people in this they one another?
So I can roast the thing me I talk about. You think that you think roast or fry me I talk about. Yo, catch you dance, roast or fry.
Yo, you mean roast or fry? Aye.
Tight, man.
Ah, so you want every man for this year?
Then I must. I just wanted to style me. First I don't know, me see a little while life and then turn on tell me go stop my mother.
That not this. If I did me that turn on and tell you say you smell like used condom. Daddy, can't dry down my birth and shit down there, sir.
Ras. Yeah man, go on and make courage catching a bumbo clap, but
Yo! You don't know the unruly boss. Welcome to the Pussy Hole Roast. Yo, Vendetta boss, say something.
Leave me hold my glass.
Whoosh.
Done. Respect. Yo, cripple boy, me that tell you take a seat, but bomba glad me too late.
Fuck we start.
Oh, me can't say about that fat pussy hole, you know. Mr. Fat Fuck.
Yes, fuck we start.
Yeah, you know. Yo, dog, me I tell you, dog. Yo, you're fat till you're fat, not even fat, no fat, so no bomba glad.
I want that kind of funny still. Pussy and nothing better.
Pussy, you ever take a good look in a mirror on your chin? Now tell me, big man thing, how you live with bars on your mouth? No, me not about to ask you, me ask a 16-year-old daughter.
Yo, you know say, me not about to say nothing.
Him boy, him not gonna say nothing. You can't say nothing. Cause right now, them bars on their chin, if you say nothing too rough, your mouth would end up come.
Yo, you take it too far.
Dog, on a big woman level. What happen when you plant for spread out and dead? Dog, me don't know which man I got have heart for carrying. I might just left it for decompose.
What? Somebody fat.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big round of applause to the big danda in our building. Fat fuck chair. Oh yeah, hold up my charge it.
You know what them call simple joke like this? Fuckery. Yo, all I wanna do is style, man. When you smell how him stink, and the female I'm supposed to black like Baba Green.
Watch on me just come. Me I try to say something when the bad never say. So me I say it and make me look like me nah nothing to say. Me never say what me to say. What fuck is a bumbo hole and it's a dirty pussy clot. Simple means it's a bumbo hole pussy clot with a bumbo clot ras. Although me is a dog, me can talk and also do comedy.
Dog, this my son away, but a fatter than my uncle cow pussy.
Dirty pussy hole, batty boy, I know that.
Me ask the man where him get from him in so much things. The man say yes.
Do you hear the man fat and stupid? Don't do stupid.
Ladies and gentlemen, like how we done roast him and fuck up in blood clot. I could hear where fuck off to say. Welcome, Mr. Fat Fuck. Pussy, rise up.
Alright, let me take it easy. Me have something to say. Suck on the mother with the pussy hole and a friend and the bomber clot. When the move and go, suck on the mother with the mother straw. I wanna fuck up the man.